Welcome to Arun's Techforge Python programming series. I am Arun Barua and I welcome you to the Python programming series. So let us begin.
List data type in Python today. So what is a list? List is one of the most versatile Python's compound data type. What do you mean by compound data type? It means we can store a variety of uh, elements inside a list. It may consist of an integer, it may consist of a string, and say a floating point number, or we can also store another list and so on. And let's go to this environment first, python python 3. I will show you here. Say my list equals to, we have to give this close opening and closing braces. Okay, here I will write car, then say 100 3.14. Okay, then say J-O-H-N, John, D-O-E, do, a name of a person. Okay, okay, that would be enough. Now my list, now you see you are getting all the list, right? My list of 0, if we provide, what we get? Car. My list of 1, so it will be the 100. Similarly, my list of 2, it will have your the third number. So the list starts from 0th index. So we are in the 0th index, we are getting car in 100, and in third location, it means number 2, we are getting 3.14. Similarly, 3, we are getting John Doe. Now this list is having some important functions like append. We can append something to it. So after John Doe, it will append bus. Right? Now if we write my list, you can see bus. Right? Say we can append T-R-U-C-K, truck. Now you see my list, you will get truck. Okay, let us create another list. Say my list list 2 equals India. Suppose we are storing name of some countries. Say Pakistan. Okay, say USA. Okay, my list list 2. Now I want to append my list 1 dot app and append, and if I enter my list list 2, what would happen? See, I did something wrong there, right? My list 1 is not defined, so that is my fault. It would be my list, right? Now now if I write my list list, you get, see, this is the second list. It was inserted, appended in this particular position after the truck. Got it? So this list is one of the most versatile data type which we will be using most of the time. Okay, so let us end this tutorial here. In next tutorial we will learn what is a tuple.